Nope, it's not my birthday, but it is my first anniversary of AA Steam Series. So, thanks to the support of my family, my viewers, and subscribers to make this possible. 1 year, and I've made about 140 videos. So I just want to take the time to thank my family, so my mom for teaching me all the science behind all the fun stuff, and super exciting experiments, and also editing my videos. My dad for buying me all this cool equipment to make my videos look like this. And then my big brother for having fun with me. He's been in quite a few of my videos. Me and him had lots of fun. And last but not least, my viewers and subscribers for motivating me and being awesome. So I love reading your comments and replying to them. So thank you and keep it going. You guys want to know what we're making today for my first anniversary? Well, you might be able to tell from my shirt. Boom. Better late than hangry. Yep, I'm super hungry right now. And before I get angry, we better make something yummy, sweet, and chocolatey. You know what it is? It's cake! So, guess what? Today is International Cake Day. So guess what we're making? It's mine and my neighbor's favorite, and everyone loves it. It's chocolate cake. Did you know that big can be science too? Stick around to find out how. Let's start making our yummy chocolate cake. So let's start off with all the dry ingredients. So all the powdery stuff. In this bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We did not use cake flour. This cup, we have organic baking cocoa powder. Half a cup of cocoa powder. And just pour it into the bowl. And in baking, you need to make sure that your measurements are exactly right. Then, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, next, our baking powder. And you will also be needing 1 teaspoon. Boom. And salt. I have a half teaspoon, so we'll be needing to put this twice. That is it for dry ingredients. Let's start mixing in our wet ingredients. And we need a bowl and a beater or a whisker. I know that sugar is a solid ingredient, but we're putting this in the wet ingredients so it'll dissolve faster. Let's put in our 1 cup of sugar in. Okay, that is a lot of sugar. And then our half cup of milk. Next, our half cup of oil. Next, our 1 egg. And I'm using brown egg, it's already cracked. Okay, perfect. Now, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's start beating our mixture. Okay, so we have to keep beating until the sugar dissolves. So now, let's add our dry ingredients. So you'll be needing a colander. Let's keep our colander above the big bowl where you have your wet ingredients. So let's take a spoon of that, and then let's move a little bit closer, and then probably just keep it and just reason why I did that is just to evenly spread all the dry ingredients. Simple. Now let's take this and start mixing. This is our cake batter. Whoa. Once you've mixed it well, you got all the powder mixed in with the wet ingredients, let's add half a cup of boiling water. Whoa. Now mix. Mix really well. Before we add our cake batter to our cupcake molds or baking pan, first let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's pour our cake batter into our cupcake molds. So now our oven has been preheated. Now let's open it up. Set our timer to 30 minutes, so half an hour. And set. While we wait, let's talk about the science behind making cake. First things first, flour. That is the structure and the base of the cake. Next, baking soda and baking powder. That creates carbon dioxide bubbles and helps the cake to rise. Third, sugar. That makes the cake yummy and moist. Fats, like milk, oil, and eggs, help make your treats, well, less chewy and makes it a little bit more light. And then the egg helps, well, for it to be a cake. It binds all the ingredients together. Cocoa powder and vanilla extract, well, give the cake its flavor. Cocoa powder gives it chocolatey flavor. Vanilla powder or vanilla extract makes it, well, gives it vanilla flavor. A pinch of salt enhances the sweetness. Last but not least, boiling water. That is a very important ingredient. That takes the fat and mixes it in with the mixture. So that's a really important ingredient, and make sure you add it to your cake. Did you know there's science behind my sweet chocolatey cake? Yup. Now you know. All we need to do is wait for the cake to, well, get ready. So it says 1 minute 45 seconds, and then we shall feast upon the delicious cake. Our yummy chocolatey goodness is ready. Now, to make sure that it's cooked all the way through, let's take a skewer and poke in the middle. Yep, this one is done. Poke another spot here. Yep, that one's done. Just let it sit there and cool down before you start eating. Happy anniversary AA Steam Series. Okay, I'm gonna blow the candles. Okay, do that. Happy first anniversary to AA Steam Series. Happy first anniversary to AA Steam Series. Happy anniversary to AA Steam Series. Happy anniversary to you. Okay, so you guys know what I wish for? I wish for 2 million subscribers. So let's see if you can keep that wish. Okay, so yep, my baby brother's Paw Patrol toys are here too. So yes, we'll cut the cake. Okay, so yep, we're cutting the cake. If you've seen my ice cream video where I made homemade ice cream, and that turned out really good, but that my baby brother thought it was not that great. But looks like I've got better at cooking and baking. He actually eats my chocolate cake now. Did you like it? You like it? it good?
Good.
Yes, very good. Okay, so that will be it for today. Hope you liked my 1 year of making YouTube videos. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye. Say bye-bye.